Hi guys, so I received this envelope yesterday in the mail and I have a feeling it might be a RAK or a Happy Mail or whatever it is they're called. I feel like they're all the same thing. And the reason I think that is because of it's kind of creative and it's from Jenny Leslie. And I've just covered the addresses. So Jenny Leslie, and I don't know a Jenny Leslie. Look, it may be junk mail. I don't know, but it's handwritten, so I feel like it's not junk mail. If it is junk mail, I'll be the first person, I suppose, to open up some junk mail, Happy Mail on camera. So anyway, I thought I'd film it just in case it is a Happy Mail. So let me just open this up. Oh, sorry, I'm not even on camera. Okay, so, oh, it is! And I'm really bad with names, so Jenny Leslie, if I've spoken to you on Facebook or somewhere, I'm sorry if I haven't recognised the name because I'm quite new on there and there's so many people. I find it hard to remember everyone. So this is Jenny Leslie. Hello, Be Natural. And look at her. She's got such neat writing. What is that? Is it a... Okay, so there's a little note here and it says maybe you'd like to try collaboration art, project life card or journal challenge. All the best, Leslie. Jenny Leslie. Jenny, I would love to. Just know that I don't consider myself an artist or a crafter. I feel like I'm just a recycler. So, but yeah, I would love to do a little... Oh, there's a note on the back. Hi Bonnie, it's your day to be spoiled. I hope you like your RAK. We seem to be kindred spirits. I also love to junk journal with non-manufactured items. Oh, okay, so she's definitely from Facebook, or maybe she's watched some videos. But yeah, if you haven't watched my channel before or you're quite new to my channel, I don't like mass-produced craft items, so I always, the only things I buy are from, you know, charity op shops, and all the rest is salvaged from, you name it, friends, family, junk in my house, curbside cleanups. So she says, I also love to junk journal with non-manufactured items. It really challenges your creativity. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Oh, hello, Be Natural. Okay, yes, I know who that is now. I did subscribe to your channel. I'm working on actually speaking on my channel soon. I don't speak either. I mean, I do speak, but I don't show my face because I'm actually quite shy. Some people may not think that, but I am. I also have an Etsy shop and I've sent you a couple of prints from my vintage tins and project life cards. Oh, okay, now she says vintage tins. I know who this is now. Okay, so this was the back of the letter. Oh, thank you, Leslie. So, oh, I thought there was a bug chasing me. There's a little bead in there. Oh, this is a card she's made herself. So it may be from food packaging or something, cardboard. Just put a book page underneath and painted it. And that's a napkin on top, it feels like. See, I love handmade stuff like this. You can't go into a shop and buy this. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. I keep going to call you Leslie, Jenny. Okay, so this is packaging with something, little charms or beads or buttons or something on it. This would be good for little collages. I love netting and all that sort of stuff. Oh, she's made this tag as well. See, look how beautiful that is. Yeah, see, that's packaging of some sort. She's painted. Is that a stencil? I don't have any stencils. I should probably get some, because I see some really nice work that people do with stencils. And look how perfect she's cut this. When I cut my tags, I never measure, or you know, sometimes if you cut this side off, you put that little piece over there to cut it even, but I always just go snip snip, and they're always really wonky. Little flower. This feels like recycled paper. It's really thick. It's got little pieces in it. Oh, thank you, Jenny. Jenny, you're my first little like Happy Mail or RAK or whatever they're called. Oops, oh no, I'm getting low battery. So she's cut this one out. It's an envelope. Did you make that envelope? I think so. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, and this one she's painted. I love it. It feels really nice. Because everyone's been working on Oriental themed journals. So this is some packaging. I will definitely use these because I always keep these sort of things as well. Oh, I wonder what this was for. From Japan. Oh, that's a little envelope. Look how cute that is. That's so pretty. Some of these paper money. I came across some of these in an op shop. Not like this. Mine were quite dark. And I think I had one or two that I put in a Oriental themed kit recently. But these are so cool. They feel kind of like thick crepe paper. I think this is that paper that they burn for like a celebration of life. The Chinese burn paper. I think, don't quote me. Oh, what are these? Oh, it's out of a book, this one on birds. Oh, for lithographs. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this. They'll make cute little like art tiles. They're so gorgeous, little birds, plants. Oh, thank you, Jenny. I love those. Some beautiful paper. This is kind of like some I had as well that I put in a kit. It was this, but this is, oh no, it feels the same. So pretty. Oh, a little Easter bag. Napkins. Oh my god, because I don't buy craft supplies. I found a couple couple of packs of napkins at an op shop one day, and I was like so excited. It was like Christmas, like I struck gold. Look how pretty. And I love butterflies and flowers, which is funny because I'm a bit of a tomboy. I'm not girly at all, but for some reason I think I must be getting old, because now I'm starting to love, you know, glittery things and pink and really girly things. But I do love butterflies and flowers. Oh, mushroom bags. I used to swipe these from I think, was it Woolies that had them? Woolworths, if you're not Australian, Woolworths, I don't know if it was Woolies or Coles, it might be Woolworths. It's a supermarket chain in Australia, and they always had these awesome mushroom bags for, you know, when you put your loose mushrooms in them. And I used to always, every time I went shopping there, I'd swipe some of these. And I think I've only got 1 or 2 left. I've given most of them away or put them in journals. But I would always swipe them, and now they don't have them. And I always thought, oh my God, they probably got rid of them because everyone's swiping them. So at my Woolies, they only have plain brown bags now. But thank you. I've only got a couple of these left myself. Project Life cards. I don't actually know what Project Life is, because I think I've always just done, you know, recycled and mixed media assemblage type stuff myself. So I have seen a lot of people talking about Project Life cards, but I don't know what they are. But look at these images. They're so beautiful. Oh, these are from her shop. And I'm going to put this link and her channel link down in the description box below so you can check it out. I do know who you are now, Jenny. I think we had a laugh about something one time, but look how gorgeous those images are. So I think she's made these herself. She's put book pages and everything down, little words, and then scanned them. Oh, these are the vintage tins. So she's got a collection of vintage tins, and yeah, she's scanned some, and she says they're still under copyright, so they can't be resold or anything. They're just for personal use. But what a great idea. You know, I would never have thought of scanning vintage tins. But look at that. That's beautiful. My sister loves vintage tins as well. Look at that image. That's so gorgeous. Oh, I love them. Thank you, Jenny. You know, I don't have pretty little pictures like this unless I find them in a book and cut them out. That's so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Well, thank you, Jenny. This was like the sweetest, nicest little surprise to get. And I love that you're a recycler and you look for things like this as well. And I'll put the link to your channel and your Etsy shop down below. I really love these. These are so awesome. And thank you. I'm so happy to find another person that recycles everything as well. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. I really thought it was going to be junk mail and that I'd be the only person filming a junk mail on YouTube, a junk mail opening. But that's so beautiful. Why don't mine ever come out so pretty like that? I always make mud. Not that I mind making mud, actually. I know it's frowned upon, but I like the effect of mud. But that's so pretty. That's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Jenny. You really made my day. I love it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.